Why are you barking? I don't see nothing. What? Sleepy? Let's go outside. Really, Pupper? Oh, it's a gorgeous day out. Let's go check on the thing. The mini farm. Hey, look. It's the pumpkins or the zucchinis, but whatever. They're flowering. Yeah. Fridged. We should probably water this. Fiona, don't bark. Grrr. Come here. Shush. I give you love all the time. Tree. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. And there she goes. Where's that heat? Oh, you're such a baby. Scrap gets huge. Such a baby. Inside. She's gonna watch on that grass all day. No, but you're gonna take a piss. That works. And then she goes inside. What? What? What is it? Just being a pain in the butt? Again? Found an egg. Nope, I found an egg. 3. It was in the sink already, so. Explosion. You're gonna find this like the weirdest thing ever. Just watch. This is like one of my all-time favorite snacky snacks. Get some kind of potato chip that's like original flavor, not like sour cream and onion or nothing. Get those or crumbs. There. And then all you gotta do, get a little bit of ketchup. Untap the lid. Crunchy ketchup super. I don't know what to call this. Chips with ketchup. There. Simple as that. Suggestion. Get a ketchup bottle that's almost empty so you can hear the little fart noises. And then put the ketchup back in if you think there might get some out of it, and then the end result once you mix it in. Just thought I'd let dogs won't shut up. What? We need to mow the lawn. What? Oh, we gotta get rid of those bikes. You can barely see them anymore. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's raining right now. The ground is wet. Dirt is wet. So methinks I don't have to water the lawn. Or not the lawn, water the garden beds. is good. Oh, I did. Slipped on that. Well, if it wasn't raining earlier, it definitely is now. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. We definitely don't need the water. You can just hear that thunder. You can't see lightning yet. I love watching the lightning. Just saying.